Okay, guys, so before I share my screen, we have today's topic regression and retesting. Okay, what's the topic? Regression and retesting. Okay, that's just first topic. We have many topics in line. Okay, okay, guys, so I guess most of you don't know what's regression, but retesting is a word which you can define, I guess. Okay, guys, so what's retesting?
Testing again and again.
Testing again and again. Okay, someone else.
Perform failed test cases.
Sorry, can you please repeat? Whosoever has answered this last.
Perform for failed test cases. और जब डेवलपर को अपन कोई इश्यू देते हैं और वो अपन उसको फिक्स करके देता है तो अपन उसको रिटेस्ट करते हैं सर उसको रिटेस्ट करते हैं
ठीक है Sankit, your definition was quite right. Okay, anyone else? Sujit has already answered. Sumaya, what's retesting?
Detect some defects through the tester, and after that they report the developer, then resolve these defects, and after that a tester was check the defects was resolved. It is retesting.
Okay, cool. Okay, anyone else who just want to tell about retesting? Okay, okay, guys. Okay, guys. So before we study about retesting, we will do study about regression. Okay, so I will just share my screen. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Okay, I will explain you this thing with an example. Okay, I need a pen. Right. Okay, see, guys, this is a wall of a house. Okay, this is a wall of the house, and this has several bricks. Okay, so this is the wall. Okay, and just suppose that this brick came out of it. This brick came out or just got fell out of this wall. Okay, this brick fell out. Okay, so we called the workers, and workers put this brick back in this place. Okay, so this isn't very important. This isn't very mandatory that this brick is as fixed as it was earlier. Okay, this might cause issues to other bricks. Might be the fitting is not proper, or might be there are some cracks in the bricks, right? Do you got the example? So I need to check each and every brick. Is the alignment correct? Is the everything okay? Nothing is breaking down, right? So I need to check each and every brick, or the complete wall, right? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this example. Okay, okay. Is there anyone who doesn't get this? Okay, I guess everyone has got this. So, guys, similar is the regression. We will discuss what's regression. Okay, see. So, Regression testing ensure that new changes or update in the software do not negatively impact the existing functionalities. Okay, okay. I will give another example. Give another example. I will give another example. Okay, let's go to facebook.com. Okay. Okay, guys. So just uh, suppose that the error throwing functionality is not working right now. Just suppose it will work right now in Facebook. Okay, just suppose it that this is taking invalid emails. Okay, this is not throwing a warning for invalid emails. If I say abcgmail.com, okay, this is the invalid format of email because this doesn't have at the rate. Okay, this doesn't have at the rate. Okay, guys. So this is accepting it and not giving any warning. Okay, so I reported this bug to developer. I reported this bug to developer, and developer ultimately fixed this. Now the fixed code will be implemented in the complete page of this home page, right? In the complete login page, and this little added code will impact the complete page. Can impact the complete page, right? Can impact the complete page of login page, right? So I need to check each and every functionality within this login page, that nothing is broken after the update. Okay, nothing is broken after the update, nothing is impacted negatively. Okay, okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Okay, guys, everyone give me a thumbs up if everyone understood this. I am not seeing a thumbs up from everyone. Okay, cool, guys. Okay, so next we have, okay, see, guys, we already been through the definition. Okay, so ensures that all new changes or updates in the software do not negatively impact the existing functionality. So here are some key points. This is performed after bug fixes, enhancement, or code modifications. These are the only ways when the code will be updated, right, guys? Okay, so it focuses on the unchanged part. Okay, rather than I will be not focusing much on this if the email is fixed or not. Rather than this, I will be checking other functionalities are not broken, right? I will be I will be checking other functionalities are not broken, like forgotten password is redirecting to the right link, password is accepting correct passwords, login button is redirecting to login, is logging me in. Okay, so these kind of scenarios. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this point. Okay, so guys, in many organization, automation is used for performing regression. Okay, so many times regression can be long process. Okay, if if it was a, this is a simple login page, but if it is a complicated page, then the process can go long, right? So we usually use automation testing for this. Okay, so we usually use automation testing for this. Okay, guys. So, okay, I guess we have already spent 9 minutes on the regression. So, give me a thumbs up if you understood what's regression. Okay, retesting is actually verifying that a specific bug has been fixed. Okay, in this case, in this scenario, I will be just focusing on this. If it's not accepting invalid emails as of now. Okay, earlier it was accepting invalid emails, but now after the bug fix, I will be focusing that it's not accepting invalid emails. I will try to input different invalid emails like abc at abcgmail.com, okay, or abc at the rate.com. So I will be checking these kind of scenarios. I will be inputting various invalid emails to check this. Okay, so guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood what's retesting. You understood definition of retesting and what retesting is.
Sir, please explain.
So yes, your voice is
Mm,
breaking a lot. Can you please repeat what you just said? Or you can. It would be better if you can type. If you can type in the chat box. I'm getting nothing in the chat box as of now. Okay, okay. See, in regression testing, we were checking the what was the bug. The bug was this field is accepting invalid emails, right? But it should not accept invalid emails. Okay, it should not accept invalid emails. Okay, so if was sent for if the bug was reported, okay, the bug was reported, and after the fix in the regression testing, I will be checking other functionalities, that other functionalities are working fine. But in the retesting, I will be checking if this functionality for which bug was reported, the email functionality is working right now. Okay, I will be inputting various invalid emails like abc at the rate, not abc at the rate, not abcgmail.com. Okay, or maybe abc at the rate.com, like these things. Okay, so give me a thumbs up, Suyash, if you understood this. Okay, cool. Okay, so in the most of the cases, it is performed manually. Okay, so there can be various scenarios which are broken, and not for every scenario we can write automation script, and we cannot decide the future. Okay, we cannot decide the future. Anything can be broken in the future, so we cannot write like scripts, automation scripts for everything, right? Okay, and these are just some examples. Okay, guys. So, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Okay, guys, I am hoping that most of you doesn't know about smoke and sanity testing, but still, I would take a try if anyone of you wants to answer about smoke and sanity testing. I just want to know your understanding on this. Okay, Sujit doesn't know anything.
स्मोक टेस्टिंग में वो मेन फीचरों को कवर करते हैं, उसके की फंक्शनों को टेस्ट करके देखते हैं कि वो वर्क कर रहे हैं या नहीं।
Okay,
मेजर फंक्शनैलिटी पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं।
okay,
और सैनिटी में और सैनिटी टेस्टिंग में ऊपर ऊपर से चेक करते हैं, ज़्यादा डीपर नहीं जाते हैं, तो उसमें सैनिटी टेस्टिंग कहते हैं उसको।
ठीक है. Anyone else?
So, verify the application functionality or critical functionality is working fine or not.
This is smoke, right?
Yes.
Okay, and what about sanity? Okay,
Bug fixes.
okay, right, all right. Okay, so guys, let me let's get through this. Okay, okay, guys. So like as in smoke testing, we test the major or critical functionalities of the application or work. Okay, I will just give you example. Just suppose that this login page is not working properly. Okay, you just receive a build. There is just a deployment, new deployment on the UAT. Just guess it UAT. Okay, and just not UAT. Just think it. This is a new deployment over the server. Okay, and you see that the login functionality is not working properly. Okay, and this login functionality is not working properly. So this is the very major functionality of any application, right? It's not only login functionality. There can be many other major functionalities. For example, e-commerce application would have add to cart, also a major functionality, right. So there can be many functionalities which can be major. This is application specific or the project specific, I would say. So let's just think that the login page for Facebook is not working fine. So this will be rejected. This build will be rejected. Okay, let me explain what is build. Whenever you receive a update from the whenever you receive a update for testing, that's called a build. Okay, that's called a build. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up when you if you understood this. Okay, so just think that this login page is not working. So this is very clear that if the major functionalities are not working, this build is not a good fit for deeper testing, right? This build is not fit for deeper testing. When high level functionalities are not even working, we cannot say that inner functionalities are working good, right? So this is smoke testing. And as soon if the build is rejected in smoke testing, then no other testing is performed on the build. Okay. If it's rejected in smoke testing, then no other functionalities, no other kind of testing are performed on build. Okay. Let's talk about sanity. Okay. Okay. Let me just go through this one. Okay. So preliminary testing to check if the major functionalities of the application are working. Preliminary means if the build is not stable in smoke testing, then it will eliminate it. Okay, it will eliminate it. So basically, it's a screening process. It's very similar HR screening your resumes before scheduling an interview, right? Right, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you understood this. So, example would be verifying if the application launches and the application page loads on. Okay, okay, okay. Sanity testing is narrow and focused testing to validate specific features. Just suppose there is a new build and this email form, this email password form. Let's this create new account is a new functionality. Okay, so testing this create new account. Okay, so testing this create new account will be this will just testing this create new account thing will come under sanity testing. So or if it was a bug fix, then testing just a bug fix will come under sanity testing. Okay, so either testing just a bug or a new functionality comes under sanity testing. Okay, so specific testing is called sanity testing. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. What smoke, what sanity. So let me give an analogy to this. Smoke testing is like checking if a car starts. Okay, if a car starts, and sanity testing is like ensuring the air conditioner works after repairing it. Okay, okay, guys, give me thumbs up if you understood this. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Next is exploratory testing. Okay, before exploratory testing, let me open a website. I don't remember the name exactly, but Okay, guys. So this is a website. Okay, this is basically a testing website. Okay, guys. Okay, okay, guys. So I'm telling you nothing about this website. Okay, I'm telling you nothing about this website. You guys have to just test it. Okay. So how will you test it? Okay, any one of you, how will you test it? Any one of you guys, or any one of you can get tell any test case. Okay, any test case, right?
Whether login page is working properly or not.
Good. Say good. Okay. See, when I will click on login, it will redirect me to this page. Okay, I'm using it after so long. Okay, my internet connection is a bit slow. Okay, fast. Okay, so see, we have a login page. Okay, I will be checking basic login page test cases here. Okay, there is a register page. I will be checking register, right? There is a features page. If I will click on this, I guess I am not sure. I am just guessing that I will be redirected to some features page. Okay, so let's click this. Even guys, just think I am also using it first time. So see, it it took me to some page which is known as features, right? Okay, and I guess when I will click on blog, this will redirect me to some blog page, right? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. Okay, okay, guys. So you guys can, guys, remember when you started using Instagram, no one taught you how to use Instagram. You just logged in and started using it and started learning it, right? Give me a thumbs up if I'm saying right. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if I'm right. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if I am right. Okay, cool. So, guys, similar is the exploratory testing. We generally explore the application on our own. We do not get any documentation. Okay, we do not get any documentation. We explore the application on our own and try to test it. Okay, try to test it. Okay, all right, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you understood what's exploratory testing. Okay, and by the name and by the UI of this website, I guess this is some e-commerce website, right? Some e-commerce or some shopping website. It also has a marketplace feature, right? So there are some different things, right? Okay, okay, guys. So I guess you understood what's exploratory testing, right? So the definition would be a type of testing where testers explore the application without predefined test cases to find the defects and learning the application. Okay, just add on and learning the application. Okay, what are its key features? It's completely based on tester's intuition, right? You just say, see, I by the reading the name and seeing this option marketplace, I have an intuition that this is some e-commerce website, right? I didn't have any documentation for this website. I just have an intuition for this, right? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood. Okay, okay. All right, so this is useful for identifying new edge cases and new bugs. Okay, so you might be testing a lot of things into it. When you are exploring the application, you might find something new that even developers don't know. Okay, so exploratory testing a use is done in many organizations, right? Okay, okay, guys. So you can read these examples and you can add on your examples in your answers to add some weightage to your answer. Okay. Okay, guys. Similarly, like exploratory testing, we have ad hoc testing. Okay, ad hoc testing. Okay, guys. So there is just one difference in the ad hoc and exploratory testing. Ad hoc is also an informal and unstructured way of testing without any documentations or plan, guys. But the focus of ad hoc testing is focuses on breaking the application by trying random scenarios. Okay, if I see in exploratory testing, my main focus is to explore the application and test the application and learn about it. But in ad hoc testing, my main focus is on breaking the you know breaking the application, breaking the code, breaking the test cases. Okay, let me show you. Okay, like see, uh, like I'm just trying a random scenario. I will click on marketplace 10 times. Okay, okay, I will see whether it breaks down or not. Okay, I clicked at least 10 to 15 times on this, but it worked properly. Okay, it worked properly. There might be these kind of scenarios, so I will try different random scenarios like this. Okay, different and random scenarios like this. Okay, that are usually a bit more थोड़े बहुत अजीब तरह के टेस्ट केसेस मैं यूज करने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, like clicking this resources again and again. Okay, entering okay, see, entering email, two emails at a time. Okay, again entering another email. Okay, let me add a password. I will see if it works or not. Actually, I shouldn't use this here. Okay, see, there is a bug. This shouldn't be editable once I click login, right? This shouldn't be clickable when I have already clicked on login. This shouldn't be editable. Okay, I should actually use this in register page. Okay, okay. So let me enter email here. Okay, I will click on register. It's right now I have to fill in all the information, then it will throw the error. Okay, so I will try these kind of random scenarios. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood what's Adhoc. Actually, in exploratory testing, our major focus is not on breaking the application, but in ad hoc testing, our major focus is breaking the application by trying the random scenarios. Okay, guys. So, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, monkey testing. Monkey testing. Okay, guys, I will again explain this by example. Mm, See, guys, these are some trees. Okay, pardon my drawing, guys. Okay, guys, so this is a monkey. Okay, so this is right now, he is at tree number one. So is this mandatory for this monkey to come on tree two, or he can also go to tree three? Okay, he can also go to tree three. Tell me, guys, or he can also go to tree four, might be tree five. It depends on him, right? It depends on the monkey, not the sequence, right, guys? Okay, okay. So similar is the monkey testing, guys. Just trying random scenarios. Okay, just trying random scenarios. Like I will not perform the test cases in a sequence. Okay, I will just give random inputs and check for the if the application crashes. Okay, that's okay. Like just see. There's in the first name I will enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, right now this first name should accept string value, but I am giving integer value. Okay, so I will see like this. Okay, let me enter here too, and username I will. Okay, country I will say India. Password I will say. Okay, I will try to click on register. Click on pants. Okay, let me click on pants. Okay, it's doing some buffering. Let the buffer complete. Okay, now the register button is enabled. See, this has okay, okay. See, this thrown me a warning. Email address does not appear to be valid, but this accept this. This this is accepting this, right? This is accepting numbers in the first name, which is invalid, right, guys? Okay, guys. So give me a thumbs up if you understood what monkey testing. Okay, guys, and okay, just one more thing. It's very similar if we give remote control in the hand of a monkey, right? A monkey doesn't know what to do with the remote, so he will just do anything. Okay, anything. I can. I will not use my mind here. Okay, I can even enter these kind of characters here, and we'll see if it's throwing a warning or not. Right? Okay, guys. So this is a very important interview question. Explain the difference between exploratory, ad hoc, and monkey testing. Okay. Okay, guys. So I guess this is understood by everyone. Okay, guys. Let me check how much we are left with. Okay, we are still left with two more slides. Last two are. Okay, guys. Positive and negative testing. Okay, guys. I will say positive testing is just a simple test case, the valid test case. Let me enter the correct email and correct password, and I will click on login, and it should take me to the home page of my Facebook. Right, guys? Right. But what would be the negative case? Negative case can be if I may not provide email, okay, and click on login, then it should throw the warning, okay. And what else can be the negative case? I can either provide incorrect email, right? I can either provide incorrect email and different kind of incorrect emails, right? Just we can do many scenarios like this. We can do many scenarios like this, okay. I can also give incorrect password or incomplete password or just leave the password field empty, okay. I can provide both email and password wrong. Okay, these kind of scenarios are negative testing scenarios. Okay, so give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood what's negative testing, guys. Okay, let me ask you a question. Entering these kind of character will be a positive test case. Entering these kind of characters here will be a positive test case or a negative test case.
Negative test. Negative.
Right, guys. Right. It would be a negative test case. Okay. So, okay. So, positive testing ensure that the system work as expected with valid inputs. Okay. And negative testing test the system behavior with invalid inputs. Okay, guys. So, I guess this is clear. Okay. Okay. Guys, just let me know if we have already studied about end-to-end testing. Do I need to repeat it? I guess we have already done end-to-end testing. Have we already done end-to-end testing? Guys, system testing is end-to-end testing. Okay, okay. Just think of it, validating the flow of an application from starting to ending of the from start to finish. If I talk about Facebook, I will log in with valid scenarios. Okay, I will check the home page. I will check the friend request page. I will check the settings page and different pages all in the Facebook, and then I will log out my account. This will come under end-to-end testing. Okay, Okay, I guess we have already done this end-to-end testing, right? Okay, guys. Okay, we have already done this. Okay, cool. Guys, just the last point, just the last and simple point: localization and globalization. Okay, so guys, what's localization? This ensures that a software is adapted to a specific region or language. Okay, I don't know if Facebook will have this. Okay, guys, see, this has a various language options, right? If I will click Hindi, this will convert everything in Hindi. Okay, so I will be checking various texts. Okay, I will be checking various texts that none of my line is changing the meaning of actual text. Okay, none of my line is changing the actual text. Okay, see, this can be in Punjabi. Okay, so for localization, I will say that my software is adapted to a specific region. If I'm putting in Punjabi, then it would be Punjab region. If I'm putting in Gujarati, it would be Gujarat region. Okay, okay, guys. So give me a thumbs up, guys. Yeah, if you understood localization, this is very basic and very rarely asked. Okay, okay. So just one more thing, guys. Globalization testing verifies that the software can support multiple languages, multiple regions, and cultures without requiring change. Just see, we have multiple languages here: Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, and there is also Espanol and many others languages. So, this application is a global application. Okay, all right. This can support, this application can support all regions, all multicultural things, right, guys? All the languages, all the regions, right? If I just talk about Hindi, is it supporting Hindi? So yeah, it can be localized in Hindi as well. Okay, so this is a global application. Okay, okay, guys. So I guess we are done with this. Okay, so guys, any doubts for today's lecture? We are done with today's class. Any doubts for today's lecture?